Welcome. Let's talk about Terra Classic technical analysis. Now, LUNC, when you take a look at technical analysis, and you can see the Japanese candlestick, the relative trend index, and oscillator and moving average, you see that LUNC, from the look of things, will drop more before the end of this month and maybe even next month. LUNC, the signs what we're seeing here is that LUNC might be dropping more in terms of price. Remember, this coin has been struggling for weeks right now, and even though with the burning from Binance, yet nothing is really happening. Just know that it is not over for Terra Classic, but even though Terra Classic drop a little bit more before the end of the month, LUNC will still bounce back. A Terra Classic in the long run, okay, this I'm telling you, this is between in the short run. In the long run, Terra Classic is expected to rise in price. Okay, according to technical analysis, it's expected to rise in price. You can see some of the candlesticks that formed here, and I believe, well, it all depends mostly again on the fundamental analysis. It all depends on some of the things that will be coming up, some of the major news that will be hitting the crypto industry, and also some of Terra Classic project that will be coming out might become a game changer for LUNC coin. Oh yes, so that now I still believe that Terra Classic, whoever that is investing right now on Terra Classic, need to have the mindset of a long project. Okay, like I might say before, this is a future coin. Don't expect to invest right now and make a lot of money with LUNC, although it can happen, but have the mindset of whatever I'm putting right now on Terra Classic LUNC should be a long project. So it could be before the end of 2024, it could be in the middle of 2024, it could be in 2025. Why some also have gone ahead to say, look, I'm waiting for 2030. Okay, they just want to buy. But remember, when you are taking the decision, whatever you are investing must be something that you know you can afford to lose such amount. No matter what happens, you're like, let it go. So that is when you choose this kind of project. That's when you choose this kind of long investment. Okay, don't go and invest so much money that you want to use for business, you want to use for something else into cryptocurrency. It doesn't work that way, especially for those who are not majorly traders, I mean intraday traders. And then for those who always invest for a long period of time, you need to really understand this, that in cryptocurrency, even including Bitcoin, anything can happen. Of course, you saw BTC trading at over $65,000, and what happened? This same BTC that is all over the news, all everywhere, the king of cryptocurrency, dropped down to about $15,000. So imagine someone who invested, who bought 2 or 3 or 10 coins of Bitcoin. Then I mean, you've lost a lot of money, right? So you will be hoping for BTC to try to bounce back. So that's just the prayer. So BTC, if someone bought at $65,000 and Bitcoin is still at $30,000, you're still losing almost half of your investment. So this is why you need to really put money in crypto industry what you can really afford to lose. That should be your major goal, that should be your major target. Okay, so for me, let's hope for the best, and I believe that, well, Terra Classic in a long time will definitely end up putting smiles on our faces. That is what we are expecting, and I believe that yes, it can happen. And with BTC also increasing, let's watch and see what will be going on in crypto industry in the next coming years. Please remember to subscribe and our channel, turn on notification button in order not to miss our next video. And please remember, like I said, if you want to buy crypto coin, even including Terra Classic, buy what you can afford to lose. And for Terra Classic, with the support from Binance, with the support from other crypto coin exchanges, we believe that this coin can still bounce back and this coin can rise. But with the rise from BTC, will definitely affect Terra Classic positively. And at the end of the day, LUNC, the major target, the major thing that can help push this coin is if they can destroy the circulating supply and the supply they have. I mean, if they can burn huge amount of LUNC coins, it will help Terra Classic to bounce back. It will help Terra Classic to really increase in price in a long time. So including other coins I normally mention, there are some coins I normally buy. Let me tell you something, there's some exchange I use, I have not even opened it since the past few months because I'm using it as a long-term project. I actually invested money on these coins and I just forgot about it. Okay, except if there is something major every holder needs to do. But say go check this, I don't do that because what the money, my mindset is a long project. It could be next year, next 2 years. I want to see how much that amount of money can return to me. So I don't care to know what goes on because the money I invested there is something I can afford to lose. So that should be your mindset. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please cannot do your own research before taking any decisions.